Hello guys. Yes, I know I have not been on this channel in a minute and I'm so sorry, but today is going to be a vlog and I'm actually getting ready to go to a style hall party tomorrow. I just thought it would be good to vlog, what I'm doing, getting ready and all that fun stuff, and I feel like you guys would enjoy that. So right now I already have my outfit planned out. I think I'm going to wait until tomorrow so you guys can see my outfit. But I have all of my my accessories ready. I'm ready to slay. But I actually got some nails from the beauty supply store, so I'm gonna shower and then do my nails because my nails are really long, but I need to cut them. So I'm going to take a shower, cut my nails, and then put on the fake nails, and I'm probably just gonna paint it white just because it goes with my outfit. So yeah, my friend Tyra is in the shower right now. She's getting ready. I have some assignments to do, so I'm probably gonna do those assignments now, after I shower, while I'm doing my nails. I'm probably just gonna do my assignments because I have to watch a movie and write an essay about it, so I'm probably just gonna watch the movie tonight and then do the rest of the work during the weekend. So yeah, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Let's get started. This feels so weird, I haven't vlogged in so long, but I missed it. I miss holding the camera, I miss vlogging, but yeah, I missed this. Good morning, guys. It is the next day. Yes, I look busted. That's just an everyday thing for me. But we are going to get pedicures. I did my nails last night. I just did those press-on nails. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do them, let me know in the comments. But right now I'm so hungry, but we're gonna go get pedicures. We're probably gonna go to the beauty supply store to see if we can get some lashes and things like that, and then we're gonna come back, do some work, and then get ready. So I hope you all enjoyed today's vlog. It's about to be so exciting. So Tabra,
hello,
we about to slay the day, right?
hello. Oh, I look horrible right now. Ooh. Just wait until tonight.
Just wait on our pop out. Make sure to follow our Instagrams. I'll put them right here so you can see our bomb pics of our bomb outfits, okay? Ooh, this light is really bad. But we left the beauty supply store.
Guys, I need you guys to each Venmo me $1.
Yeah, because my bank account is looking real rough
right now.
It's looking rough right now.
Yeah.
I got the whole, comfy fit on right now. Harvard got the whole fit on right now too.
And I got my little.
But just wait on it.
Okay,
someone almost hit us. Yo.
Should we do a haul for the things you got from the beauty supply?
Yes.
So, first, we picked up a little baby eco styler
so
gel.
cute.
It's good if we need to travel, and you can keep it in your bag. You never know when your edges are gonna go out of place.
Your edges always need to be laid.
Like this one right now, that blew my edges out of place. Yep. Then I got edge control brush. Chloe has one already, but I didn't. And the way her edges was looking the other day, I was like, I need to cop. Then 2 lashes. One is all natural.
Yeah, and if you guys need some lashes that are not $50, go to your beauty supply store and look for natural lashes or demi wispies because
yeah.
But yeah, my bank account's going down. But it's fine.
These are all necessary things. If my parents are watching, they're all necessary. I will be getting a summer job.
Yep. God
just needs to place it in my lap. That's it.
Vlogging and crossing the street is not safe. I don't recommend it. I will see you guys when I'm not crossing the street. We are back from all that walking. Ain't that right, Dara?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I'm doing an assignment right now. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm doing an assignment, and it's due at 11:59, and it's due at 11:59, but I have to finish it now because we're gonna be out until midnight, so I need to do it now. There's nothing really that I have to say right now because it's kind of boring. We're kind of just doing work, but once 3 o'clock hits, that's when the glow up begins. They don't know, but be ready. Hello, we are getting ready. Woo!
Oh, not yet. Let's not show it yet. Let's wait until we got the
Well,
whole
I'm
thing
getting
together.
ready. I have did my little bun thing, whatever, and I'm laying bun thing or whatever. I'm laying my edges now. I didn't do my swoopy swoop. I'm gonna do that after, cause it's curling up already. So I want it to be flat, as much as it possibly can be. Yeah, it's kind of a mess in here right now, but this is a little sneak peek of the outfit, you know. Good night. I don't know what else to say, but we're really excited. Are you excited, Tyra?
Yes.
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 Well, when we are all dolled up and heels on, I'll show you guys the shoes I'm wearing actually. These little red babies, but they go really cute with my outfit. I'm ready. My nails actually falling off. I'm gonna have to glue it back on again because it's like about to pop off anytime now. So I'm gonna glue it so then it doesn't pop off. I'm also gonna bring the nail glue with me because in case it pops off, I can go to the bathroom real quick and do, you know? So, so yeah. Oh, there's no light. Is it bright? It's so bright.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know if you guys can hear me right now. Tyra? We're here. I don't know what to say. We're here. It's fun. It's really loud, so you guys probably can't hear me, but hey guys, just got home. I'm sorry I did not vlog that much when we were at the actual event because it was so loud and like I feel like I could not vlog. But I'm actually getting into my house right now. I have to grab my keys. I have to open the door, make some food because I'm so hungry. Tara, are you hungry? I'm hungry. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what keys I'm looking for. No big deal. Hello, we are in the kitchen cooking. Hey. We were hungry. We made some like dumpling things. If you guys are not Jamaican, you probably don't know what it is, but it's really good. We were very hungry. Our Uber ride was very nice. We thought he was falling asleep, so you know we were praying on our way home. But yeah, the party was so much fun. Like I met so many YouTubers. Like I saw so many YouTubers. Like we were like, it was just great. It was a great experience, and like, oh my gosh. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Like, if you guys want me to do more vlogs like this, leave a comment down below or give this video a big thumbs up. Yeah, I want to keep vlogging and stuff. I just feel like it's easier with like my schedule. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up like I said before. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And that's it. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.